The lecture was actually excellent. I collaborated with Tomáš on similar events for a couple of years, and he suggested that the students today would be very active, and I was very glad to actually confirm that, both from the responses to the questions, but also from the activity after the lecture presentation itself. My impression was that they were fully up to speed to the lecture and they were really interested, so very good one. I believe it's the stability of the environment, because you are dealing with great values when dealing with real estate. You need to have certainty that the transactions will be settled, and not just safely but also timely. So I think the reliability of the legal framework is the key. I believe so. There seems to be a contradiction between the fact that real estate is typically very local, while global law firms are dealing with global demands. But I very much believe that the combination of the global expertise and the very deep local knowledge is actually the best recipe to deal with real estate matters in a global law firm. Well, it is a subject that is definitely heavily discussed in the newspapers' headlines, and we clearly see an increase in an activity which we believe will at least sustain or even grow. And I'm pleased to confirm that we managed to assist some of the both institutional but also individual clients in acquiring property in the country, and we hope that this trend will continue.